10 Essential Tech Tips to Improve Your Digital Experience to get the most out of our gadgets. Understanding practical tech advice can greatly improve our use of smartphones, laptops, and other devices. We'll look at 10 crucial tech recommendations in this tech video to help you optimize your digital lifestyle and raise your general level of digital well-being. Keep your software up to date. For the best security and performance from your device, you must regularly update your software. To guarantee you have the most recent features, security patches, and bug fixes, enable automatic updates. Practice effective password management. Managing your passwords efficiently is essential for protecting your accounts. Make sure they are strong, unique, and manageable. To add an additional layer of protection, think about utilizing a trustworthy password manager and turning on two-factor authentication, 2FA. Back up your data. By routinely backing up your data, you can safeguard your priceless documents and memories. Use external hard drives or cloud storage options to create backups, and activate automated backup services for even more convenience. Maintain your privacy. In today's digital landscape, maintaining your privacy online is critical. Install a reliable antivirus application, take advantage of built-in security measures, and use caution when sharing personal information. Review and modify privacy settings across platforms on a regular basis. Optimize device performance. Ensure that your devices are performing optimally by optimizing their performance. To free up storage space and increase overall speed, frequently delete unwanted files, erase caches, and organize your digital clutter. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Protect your home network by configuring a strong, one-time password for your Wi-Fi router. Use encryption technologies such as WPA2 or WPA3, and evaluate and remove illegal devices from your network on a regular basis. Harness the power of cloud services. Leverage the convenience and accessibility of cloud services to store and sync your files across multiple devices. Utilize reputable providers such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive for secure and convenient file storage. Stay informed about tech trends. Keep yourself updated on the latest tech trends, new features, and emerging technologies to stay ahead in the digital world. Follow reputable tech blogs, subscribe to relevant newsletters, and actively participate in online communities. Manage your digital footprint. Control your online presence by being mindful of the information you share. Regularly review and adjust privacy settings on social media platforms, limit the personal information you disclose publicly, and conduct periodic searches to assess and manage your digital footprint. Practice digital wellness. By practicing digital wellness, you may maintain a healthy connection with technology. Set screen time limits, take regular breaks, and engage in physical activities. Use productivity tools or programs to better manage your time and concentration. By incorporating these 10 vital tech guidelines into your digital lifestyle, you can improve your digital experience, preserve your privacy, and overall digital well-being. Staying educated, maximizing device performance, and developing healthy digital habits can equip you to traverse the digital world with confidence and safety. Accept these suggestions, modify them to fit your needs, and have a smooth and joyful digital voyage.